Hello, Mark. I really like this Vibart robot which filters the water. So, can you briefly tell me about this robot, how it's work?
Alrighty, this is the Ybot M2, and this right here is a visual-based sensor which uses AI technology and artificial intelligence, much like a self-driving car might detect other cars and cones or obstacles. This will detect stones and dirt and dirty areas of the pool floor and the pool walls, and it will attack and clean the stones and the dirt from the pool.
Okay, there are like several robots in the market like this. So, what makes your product different from other market products?
Well, this connects to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and you can control it from an app on your phone. And the AI technology and the visual-based learning with this camera.
Okay, so do you think it can help hospitality industry hotels like uh, we can see like in every hotel there are pools, in every resort there are big pools. So do you guys are working on new robots or something?
Yes, yes. Right here, this is not on the market yet, but this is coming very soon later this year. This is a Ybot X. As you can see on top, it's got a solar panel, so it charges itself while it's working. Right now, it's also skimming the top of the water. That's something else that you don't see on the market. So whenever it needs a charge, it will float up to the top, get a charge, and do the top, and then float back down. It will do the bottom, crawl, do the walls, filter the water, everything you need.
Okay, perfect. Last question. And how much time it takes to clean the pool?
It depends on the size of the pool and how dirty it is, but should be 4 hours all clean.
Yeah. And this is the standard size, and or do you guys have like a big size of robots?
Uh, this is the standard size, but if you have smaller pools or you just need the floor done, we do have smaller units.
Thank you so much, Mark.
Thank you.